Hey artists, we're going to make these amazing Piet Mondrian inspired paintings. Follow along with me and I'll show you all the steps to create your own. So to get started, my first step is to get some different length and width pieces of black paper, and I'm going to start breaking up my paper into different rectangles by gluing down the black strips of paper. I am not going to put glue all over my white paper. I put glue on the back of the black paper and stick it down. And then if I want a piece to go the other direction, I put glue on the back of the paper and stick it down. And look, I already made a rectangle right there. Now this, let's see, I'm gonna cut this a little smaller with my scissors, put the glue on the back, and now I have a rectangle here. And then I can take this and make some more rectangles. So when I glue the paper, I'm either putting it vertically up and down or horizontally across. Ooh, that makes some more rectangles. So I put the glue on the back and then flip it over and glue it down. And so we are just going to keep finding different sizes of the paper. Let's see, I could just glue that whole piece down. That's looking fantastic. Oh, here's a really skinny one. So some of them are thinner, some of them are thicker, and adding some variety looks really nice. Let's see, I can put one here. And then you might want to divide some of these into even smaller sections. So that's when I'm definitely going to want to use my scissors. Let's see. I could make this a long, skinny. So I'm going to put the glue on the back and then break that up into two smaller rectangles. Let's see. Maybe I'll break this one up here. And that might be a little long, so I'm going to trim it off. This is starting to look really cool. Maybe I'll get a thicker one here. And I'll break this one up. And then I might cut some more pieces a little smaller. And I'm leaving room inside the rectangles so I can add paint when we're ready. So I'm going to put one there. I can put one here. And then I'll put one over here also. Okay, this is looking amazing. I have all of these different rectangles for me to put paint inside. I think I might break this one up a little smaller. That's a really big rectangle. And then I could put a piece here. So I'm just cutting pieces and gluing pieces to make smaller and smaller rectangles. Okay, I'm almost ready to go ahead and grab the paint. I have this little piece left. That'll fit right in there. Perfect. Look at our paper. I've got all the black paper, different thicknesses cut and glued on. And now I'm ready to add some paint to our picture. Okay, so since this is inspired by Piet Mondrian, we are using our primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And so you will have 3 different plates, but for my video, I'm just putting it on one. And you'll have 3 different sponges so they don't get mixed up. And so you're going to dip into one of the colors, like yellow, and you are going to fill some of the squares with yellow. And you're trying not to get it on the black part. We're just filling in our square. And maybe I'll do one more yellow. I'll put it here. And then you might give the yellow plate to someone else with the yellow sponge, and you might switch to red. And with your red sponge, you're going to fill some of the spaces with red. Make sure I get all the way to the corner. Maybe I'll do this one. So I dip into the paint and then use the sponge to sponge in the color inside that space. And then I might give that one to someone, and I'll switch to the blue sponge. And then you're going to add blue paint to some of your sections. All right, I went ahead and left a few of my rectangles white, kind of in his style. And then I added some red and some yellow and some blue to some of the other ones. And now I have a finished, really cool Piet Mondrian inspired painting. I can't wait to see the one that you create.